1. Secure the bag. Use the extra room at the top of the bag to securely tie a single knot so that the garbage does not fall out of the bag. Sometimes trash bags come with twist ties. Using these ties makes it easy to secure the contents of the bag. Gather the entire opening of the bag, close and place the twist tie around it. 2. Double bag the trash if needed. Check to see if there are any holes in the bag. If so, double bag it by placing the entire bag inside of an empty bag. 3. Take your bags to the designated pickup location. Be sure nothing has been left behind or dropped during the transportation process. To transport heavy items or more than one bag, either take more than one trip, ask for help, or use a dolly or wagon. 4. Move the bin to the street. If you live in a house and not an apartment, there are specific waste management guidelines to follow. Be sure to follow the rules for bin placement and pickup. You should set the trash out on time so that it does not pile up. You can find your neighborhood's trash pickup schedule with a quick online search. Most residents receive this information by mail from their local waste management service. It is generally provided when the trash pickup service is first scheduled. If you place your trash in a community dumpster, replace the lid after dropping your trash bag into it. This will prevent rodents and animals from entering the dumpster.